how to turn off your Android device. This tutorial shows you 3 different ways to power off your Android device. First, press and hold the power button on the side of your device until the power menu appears, then tap power off and confirm. After that, if you want a second way, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel. From there, tap on the power options button at the top right corner of the quick panel. At this point, tap on power off from the menu and your device will shut down immediately. In the next step, for the third method, open your Android settings and tap on accessibility. Following this, tap on interaction and dexterity and then tap on assistant menu and toggle it on. Once done, a floating button will appear on your screen at all times. From here, tap on that floating button to bring up a quick menu that also includes power options. Finally, tap power off from there and your device will turn off just as it would with the physical button. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you find new ways to turn off your device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.